Here's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Go see everything you wanted to see in a vehicle you want to be seen in. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, AM/FM satellite radio, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and integrated navigation system. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.